Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to create portals inside ClientlyBase. So let's get started. You can click on create new portal. Here you'll have to give access to a Airtable account on the first go. Then you can select your base, then click on continue. Name the portal. And then select the user table. So make sure you have a table where you have all the users, okay? Or the person who's going to use the client portal. So in my case, this is customers. You can have a role field. This is optional. If you want to show data based on roles, this means like the whole portal experience will be like different for every role. Then you can use this option. For now, I'm going to skip it. If you want, you can set up later, okay? Click on continue. And here we have three options for authentication. If you want to make this portal public, then you can skip and click on create portal, but I'm going to select the first option, email only. Create portal. Here in ClientlyBase, you have to do two things while creating a portal. First thing is create a page, and second thing is create a navigation for that page. Okay. So let's create a page. Name the page projects, and we have few views: gallery, table, form, map, embed. You can select based on your data, and I'm going to select the gallery. Then projects. If you want to make this page public, you can enable this. Click on continue. Select the image, name, description. Let's have one more. The company. Okay. Next, we have records. Here you can select how you want to show your records. Remember, we told you about the role based. If you have roles, you can set up this. Okay, but we are skipping this, and I want to show all records. Then if you want to show user link records, this means people will only see the records which belongs to them. Okay, you can select it, and this is set up. For now, I'm going to skip it. Then you can allow create and edit. Next is fields. Here you can have all the fields. Like if you want to hide some of the fields, that can be done. Let me hide some of the fields. I think we are good to go, and I want to make this not editable. Okay. Then we have search and filters. You can enable search and filter. Project description, based on these two fields, the search will happen. And filter, I want to have filter for start date and end date. Okay. Based on these two fields, we can filter. Next is other settings. Here, let me name projects. Description, you can view projects. You can specify like how many items you want to show on the page. Let's keep it default. Now create page. Then navigation. Create a navigation. I'll select a page project. Projects. Select icon. Let's do this. And you can do one more thing here. You can hide some of the pages, or like if you want to show them role specific, that is also possible. So you go to role specific and select the roles. Right now we don't have any roles, that is why it is empty. So let's do all users and create. So this is how you like create the pages and navigation. Let's have a logo. Okay. Let me keep my photo as logo. And you can choose the font and color. Let's go with this. Okay, cool. Then in settings, we have some basic info, like you can add your privacy policy, terms and service like URLs. And here you can specify the role if you want to add them. And in authentication, if you want to add other options, that is possible. Here we also have the domain settings. Here you can add your custom domain. Let me just okay. So you can also like update the subdomain. Save changes and let's see the preview. So we just have to have the email. So let me see. Here in customers, we have some of the emails. Let's use this one. So we have all the projects. So these are the dummy data. You can create multiple pages. You can create records. You can edit the records. Also, one more thing I'd like to show you is if you want, like let's say you have the projects and inside projects you have tasks, you want to edit them. This is also possible. So to do so, go to projects, like the pages, edit it, go to fields and find the task. Yeah, so here we have this task field. Click here, more option, click on field settings, and here you can enable creation, editing and view. And here just save changes, and now you'll be able to see the linked records as well. So click on it, and now you can click on it and see the details further. Okay, also if you want to edit them, that is also possible. Now you have an option to create as well. You can create new link record or you can edit the existing ones. Yeah, so it will be pre-filled and you can edit them. So this is how you can create client portal inside ClientlyBase. Thank you. Have a good day. And if you have any questions, you can drop a comment or you can contact us. Okay, thank you.